I am AI-generated Esther. In this content, Bapodra Investments will help to explain why once you have an investing or trading plan, the next step is to ensure you have an investing or trading strategy and system and what the differences are.
Hi, I am AI-generated Mia. What is the difference between an investing or trading strategy and system? An investing or trading strategy represents your personal investing or trading beliefs and principles which you are going to use to help you make profits. The investing or trading system is more on how you are going to specifically do this. The system is an important part of the strategy, so both are strongly interconnected. This can involve a set of rules, which clearly defines your entry and exit points, how big your positions will be, and your risk management which you are going to apply. One important question you need to consider is whether you are going to have a strategy. That is based on looking at fundamentals, technicals, or a combination of both. What time frames are you going to be looking at when making entry and exit decisions? Are you going to decide yourself when to buy or sell, or have a predetermined set of rules you follow with discipline? This is described as a discretionary or systematic approach. If you make decisions yourself, then one of your biggest enemies will be your emotions. Can you manage fear, greed, ego, overconfidence, and maybe even a lack of knowledge and capability? Bapodra Investments uses a trend-following strategy. This is investing or trading with the trend rather than against it. They use certain technical indicators like moving averages to establish any short, medium, or long-term trend. They believe price action is king and is the most important metric. They look at volume, momentum, and trend strength. They use Fibonacci retracements and extensions to help map out several potential roadmaps and price scenarios. They use assumption-based testing and then use the price action to test those assumptions. You have to decide which strategy is best to adopt based on your own personal aims and objectives within your plan. You need to understand the best strategy based on your own personality, mindset, and the time you have available to invest or trade. Most importantly, it must be based on your own risk threshold. As far as Bapodra Investments are concerned, without a plan, strategy, and system, you are merely gambling and relying on hope and luck. Bapodra Investments uses basic Elliott wave theory to help determine effective entry and exit points depending on where the price is in its price journey cycle. They also use RSI, which is relative strength index, to determine if the asset is overbought or oversold. Bapodra Investments will cover trend following and basic Elliott wave theory in future content, but this, along with certain other technical indicators, are used to create the system which Bapodra Investments adopts. This helps it deliver its strategy, which is aligned to its plan. You need to have all three to give yourself the best chance to obtain even the smallest of edges. This is something Bapodra Investments will cover in future content. The plan, strategy, and system, when aligned, is the foundation and starting block for any investment or trading journey.
Bapodra Investments hopes you now all understand how vital it is to have a plan, strategy, and system before you embark on your investing and trading journey. Without it, you are relying on hope and luck and merely gambling. Please do share this channel with your friends, family, and colleagues, and encourage them to subscribe. If you find the content interesting, then please do press the like button.